Hello everyone. Today I'll be presenting SafeAIMerge, a security tool we developed for integrating dynamic application security testing or DAST with large language model based summarization directly into GitHub workflows. SafeAIMerge has four key features that make it powerful and easy to adopt. First, it provides seamless CI/CD integration. The tool automatically runs DAST scans on GitHub pull requests using Docker, GitHub Runner, and GitHub Actions. This reduces setup overhead and ensures easy adoption in CI/CD pipelines. Second, it offers AI-powered summaries instead of long, complex DAST reports. SafeAIMerge uses large language models to generate concise recommendations, summaries, and pull request comment. This makes security findings faster to understand and easier to act on. Third, it ensures developer-friendly workflow. Feedback appears directly in the pull request with downloadable reports and configurable scan policies. This minimizes context switching and keeps security aligned with the way developers already work. Finally, the tool supports configurable security policies. Teams can adjust scan types, severity thresholds, and reporting levels so the tool adapts to their specific security needs rather than enforcing a one-size-fits-all. Let me walk you through the workflow of our tool shown in this diagram. Step 1. The process begins with the developer. Whenever the developer pushes a commit or opens a pull request in GitHub, this event triggers the pipeline. Step 2. Once the pull request is created, GitHub automatically triggers the CI/CD pipeline. This ensures that every new code change is checked right away. Step 3. The GitHub Actions job is then executed. This job contains our automation scripts and orchestrates the security testing process. Step 4. Inside the GitHub Runner environment, we use Docker to simplify deployment. Docker spins up both the target web application and a Zap server, which then conducts the security scan on the target application. Step 5. After the scan is completed, Zap generates detailed security report listing all detected vulnerabilities and alerts. Step 6. The security report is then passed into our Python script, which forwards it along with a carefully designed prompt to an LLM API. Step 7. The LLM takes the raw Zap report and generates a summarized version, including user-friendly explanations and recommendations for fixing the identified security alerts. It also generates a final summary. Step 8. Finally, the summarized report is automatically posted back into the GitHub pull request as a comment, while the complete detailed Zap report is uploaded as a downloadable artifact. This way, the developer gets both a quick actionable summary and the full technical details if they want to dive deeper. So here's the SafeAIMerge demo video. First of all, I'll start the Zap runner on my local machine. Then I'll go into the directory and create a new demo branch. In this demo branch, I'll make a small arbitrary change. I've modified the README file I'll commit the change and then I'll push my commit to create a PR. So right now the PR has been created and this will trigger the Zap DAST scan GitHub Actions workflow. Till we wait for our Zap scan job to complete, I'll go over the various files. Here's the zap.yaml file, which is used to define the GitHub Actions workflow. Here's the basic scan Python file, which is the main orchestrator and integrates various modules together. Here's the config.yaml file, which is used to configure our scan. We can tell the various level of security alerts to summarize, the level of alerts to ignore, which scans to complete, such as the spider, Ajax spider, and much more. Here's the prompt alerts text file. We can customize the prompts that are passed to the LLM API. Coming back to our Zap scan, it looks like it's almost finished. So Zap conducted the security scan on our target web application. For our demo, we are using OWASP Juice Shop app as our target web application. And here the the various summaries have been generated, and as you can see, the Zap alert has been published onto the PR as a comment. It includes various details such as total number of alerts, what what levels of security alerts were found, the overall summary, and the recommended fixes. The user can even download the full security report, which contains the full alert along with the summary and the recommendation fixes, along with the final full summary. And according to the config.yaml file, it will exclude or ignore the levels which have been mentioned. So as you can see, the informational level alert was ignored. And here's the final summary of all the alerts. Our prototype source code is available on GitHub. That's it for the presentation of SafeAIMerge. Thanks for watching.